What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Today I have an exciting new product that was sent to me by VION, and I always get excited when a VION box shows up because every time they send me something, it's always nice. And today they've sent me some window shades, and that's going to go really nicely with my roof shades, as you can see right here, which has really improved my whole nap situation. And now I'm going to take it to the next level, especially with summertime here. You know, your cars are getting hot. The kit includes a bunch of great stuff. I'm going to show you some footage of what comes in the package. But basically, every window is covered. So you got something for the driver, the passenger, the rear doors, and also those tiny back windows. So we're going to get into it and install these. All I've done is basically just taken them out and looked at them, but I haven't put them in the car yet. So I'm going to take you with me for a really fun kind of unboxing and review installation. And the sun is like directly in my face, so we're going to see just how dark we can get it in here, and I think it's going to be fairly pitch black. So here we go. Okay, so here we are. I apologize for the sun in your eye, but as I said, man, it is bright outside. So we've got this really nice VION carrying case that you're going to get your front windshield shades out of. Okay. Now you're going to want to put the shiny side out. So that's going to go right there. And then just kind of line everything up. Oh man, that is great. So this is the one you're going to be using like every day when you park your car. Now notice there is some light getting in right here, but that's because I have this this phone mount. I really need to get a better situation going. So hopefully soon. But if you didn't have this, it would be pitch black right here. And I think you can see pretty well on camera, even with just like a little bit more adjustment, you can get this pretty dark. So I'm pretty impressed so far. So we're at the driver's side front. All right. And what's really nice about this kit is everything. You can see the VION logo here. And on the other side of that, you're going to notice front left. And it has a little diagram to show you which window you're going to be covering. So again, the shiny side's going to be facing out. That's going to go right here. And you just kind of nudge this into position until there's no light. I mean, already just with like the windshield and with this front left, like I'm already feeling sleepy. And then of course I've got my nice VION roof shade. Like it is prime nap time. And especially if you're going to be doing some car camping, this is great. Also, like sometimes, I know some of you are probably out there, you know, you get to a client's house early, you want to get some work done, and you want privacy, you don't want people to see that you're working on a laptop, you know, or you just want to take a nap. This is really great. I mean, even just with like these two windows, already, like nobody's going to see in here. So the next one we're going to do, we're going to move around to the rear window, and let's see how that looks. All right, I don't know if you can still see, it's getting pretty dark in here just because I have everything blacked out at this point. And now we're going to install the right rear. And again, you just kind of scooch it into position until you block out most of the light. I'm doing this from the front seat so I can get the good shot, but I'd get my hand up in there and block out that bit of light, but you get the idea. And that's looking pretty dark. Like it is just straight up dark in here now. I'm having a hard time seeing. If it weren't for the infotainment screen, it's pretty much pitch black in here. I'll see if I can show you around here. So that's really dark. That's really dark. If I get over here, I can adjust this and make it even darker. And my little phone mount sticks out. Again, super dark here. I put this one on as well. Okay, so as you can see, it's awfully dark in here. Only like my rear window is still kind of showing. And the only ones that I haven't put on are these little tiny guys. And I'm gonna remove this just so I can get a little light in here, man. It is just dark. I'm getting sleepy and I can't see what I'm doing. So we'll get a little bit of light on the subject. I mean, these really work, man. You can see, like, I'm not exaggerating. So these little guys are going to go in your rear windows. Obviously, the shiny side is going to face out. Let me see if they're labeled. I guess they're just labeled VION. You can use them, I suppose, on either side. You just want to like line up the shape and boop. So I'm not going to show that because I actually have some other ones installed right there. Those are also from VION, and those come with the beautiful roof shade. And I kind of like those because they're like a dark mesh, so they keep the light out. I mean, you can't see through my windows anyway because I've got dark tint, but those do a good job of keeping the light out. If I need to make it even darker, I've got these. So it's really, really fantastic. I'm really impressed with the kit. As you can see, super high quality. Everything is easy to install. Everything is really easy to take out. I mean, boom, you're back in business, no problem. This guy is obviously going to be living with me every day when I park the car. And this is really thick, has really good heat rejection, and it's just really nice quality stuff. And that's what I've really been impressed with. Like everything that VION sent me, it's all really good quality. And it's all stuff that like I was really looking forward to getting. These roof shades have just been so luxurious. I can't even begin to tell you. Today it was like 102, 103 degrees where I drove. And this really helped keep me cool and use a little bit less electricity by not having to run the AC quite so hard. I was able to turn it up to 70 degrees and I was still nice and cool in here instead of like blasting it at 65. Don't forget to use the referral code that's going to be in the description. Also, coupon code DRIVENCOUPON10, that's going to get you 10% off. Help support companies that support the channel. I'd really appreciate it, and I know VION would appreciate it, and you're going to appreciate it when you get some really great stuff. Again, these sunshades are awesome. The roof shades are awesome. Everything they've sent me has just been like fantastic. So huge fan of VION. Also, you'll notice I've got the fancy wood grain center console. That's really, I mean, sorry you can't see because it's so dark in here now. We're going to move this out of the way just so you can see. You got the wood up here and it continues down to here. Looks really, really nice. The color matches perfectly, as you can see. And I think it really gives the interior a nice kind of finished look. And also on the outside of the car, I'll show you, I've got these cool carbon fiber door handles. Look at that. Isn't that slick? And I've got that on all four. And again, those come with the center console wrap, so be sure to get one of those. I'm also breathing nice clean air from their really fantastic HEPA filters, the charcoal activated HEPA filters. Like, they are really like seriously an upgrade for your car. They are way better than the factory filters. And it just smells clean, so I really, really like it. Again, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos, more accessories, more car reviews, more track days, more craziness. So, you know, I'm having a good time here. I appreciate seeing all of my friends in the comment section. I appreciate all the referral sales. I really appreciate that. Also, if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, any Tesla accessories, anything from Tesla, use my referral code. It's going to be in the description. You will get a discount and I will get free stuff. So we both win. All right. And I think that just about wraps it up today. Thank you for watching. Thank you to VION for the beautiful stuff. And until next time, my friends, stay driven. Bye.
Perfect.